Hello guys, today I've got Creative Outlier free headphones and I'm going to show you how to clean them. Cleaning your headphones regularly prevents sweat, oils and dirt from damaging the finish or charging contacts. What you actually really need, you need soft microfiber cloth, like this one for example, cotton swabs, mild soapy water, a drop of dish soap mixed in warm water, and fresh water, normal water. And at first, disconnect your headphones from your phone and power them off. Here we've got this LED light. When it's turned off, we've got our headphones turned off also. And it shouldn't be blinking. And of course, you need to make sure that these are turned off. You need to wipe the ferment transducers. Lightly dampen a microfiber cloth in plain water or mild soapy water for greasy buildup, and wipe down the silicone band, ear hooks, and the bone conduction pads. Clean crevices and buttons. Use a slightly damp cotton swab to gently clean around the volume and power button and tight seams right over here. And apart from that, you need to clean the magnetic charging pins. Wipe the metal charging contacts on the headset with a dry cotton swab, dry cotton swab or cloth to remove the sweat residue or grime. And apart from that, you need to air dry out your headphones. Wipe the entire headset with a dry microfiber cloth, then let it air dry completely in a well ventilated area before charging or storing. And actually that's it. Actually you need to, I've actually remembered right now, you need to avoid harsh chemicals, like do not use rubbing alcohol, acetone or abrasive scrubbers, as they can degrade the soft touch silicone coating. No submersion while charging. Even if your model has IPX5 or IPX8 water resistance, never charge the device with the magnetic port is wet or damp. And keep a microphone clear. Do not poke sharp objects like safety pins or paper clips into the tiny microphone hole, which is right over here. That's it. Bye.